Metropolitan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Roscoe, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana-on-Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Richmond, Springfield, LaGrange, Tiffany, Millard, Avalon, Delavan Lake, and Fuggs Hollow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.